What if there were no limits to what you could create? What if the distance between dreaming and doing just disappeared? That's the idea behind Creative Cloud. It's everything you need to make anything you can imagine. Create incredible artwork and illustrations. Design experiences for websites and mobile apps. Edit and share photos and videos from anywhere, whether you're on your desktop or a mountaintop. And take your footage further with the same tools the pros use in Hollywood. We have apps for all that and so much more. With one simple membership, you can download every Adobe Creative app and the latest new features. Everything's connected, so all your apps and assets are always up to date and right at your fingertips. Creative Cloud also comes with great services. Get a jump on your projects with access to millions of stock images, graphics, and videos. Choose from thousands of beautiful fonts from the world's leading type foundries and get your work out there with your own portfolio website. You don't have to be a pro to get started. In just a few minutes, you can make beautiful social graphics, web pages, and video stories. Tutorials and templates are built right in, so anyone can do it. All it takes is a little inspiration. That's where our creative community comes in, helping you grow your skills and share ideas. Showcase and discover creative work on Behance. Learn through our live streams and join us at our amazing events. We're always looking to the future and innovating what's next, from artificial intelligence and machine learning to augmented reality. From bold new strokes in drawing and painting to Photoshop like you've never seen it. It's all yours with Creative Cloud, and it's always getting better, so you can dream bigger